Here's how to add music to your Facebook profile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to add a song that describes you or just a cool track to your profile, open your Facebook application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on the user icon in the top right corner of your screen and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. Once you're here, you need to scroll down and search for the section of audience and visibility. Once you find that section, tap on profile details that you will find below the profile locking. Keep scrolling until you find the music section, and you'll get the music section between sports and app and games. Now tap on add music, which is highlighted in blue color. Now tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen and simply search for any specific song that you want to set. Tap on that specific song and it will be added. You can also tap on cancel at the top, or you can also go back if you do not want to add any song or music to your profile. And once you've added, it will pin in your profile and it will stay at the top. So you can go back to your profile and you should now see the song on your profile. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.